Hey guys, it's your girl DiamondReeise, and today I'm teaching you how to make creamy Alfredo. If you want, but I already have a pack with the 3 pepper, onion, and blend that's already chopped up. Yeah. And then we have some garlic mince. I already used some of it, so we're gonna use the rest that's left in there. We got some virgin olive oil. We got some Rego, classic Alfredo sauce. We got some cooked shrimp, the vine with the tail on and everything. And we have some fresh spinach. Oil, some olive oil on the bottom of the pan. And you're gonna wait until it sizzle and get hot. Teaspoon of garlic. The next thing you're gonna do is put your green bread and yellow peppers and onions inside your pan. With these ingredients, your kitchen should already be smelling good. Let them cook for a little bit. We're gonna put it on, I put it like between medium, between 4 and 6. So, yeah. Let them cook a little bit. Smell the flavors in the air, and then the next thing we're gonna do is put the shrimp in there. So now we're gonna drop our shrimp inside there. That's our shrimp. The seasons I used was red crushed peppers, slap your mama seasoning, and some Cajun seasoning and salt and pepper to season my shrimp. Make sure you space out your shrimp individually so they could actually cook, so they could cook on each side evenly. And this is your finished product of your shrimp. It should look just like this. You can add extra seasoning if you want to. I added some blackened seasoning, and I also added some crushed peppers on top of there so it can make sure that it tastes good. Thing you would need is your noodles. You can try any noodles that you want, but these are the noodles that I'm using. Also season your water before you put it inside a pot. Now behind the box you will see that you have to cook your noodles for 12 minutes. Make sure you drain your noodles. Like my noodles to be seasoned, so I seasoned my noodles with blackened pepper again, and I think I also put some crushed peppers in there as well on top. Make sure you try your food while you're cooking. That's the best way to cook, and make sure that it has flavor. And make sure you stir everything around so all the noodles can have flavor. Make sure you clean your spinach before you actually put inside your pot, okay? Hey guys, it doesn't matter what kind of sauce you use, but just make sure it's your Alfredo pasta sauce, okay? Make sure y'all also subscribe and also hit that notification button for me and for new updates and everything else. So I'm sorry guys, I actually added some more sauce in there. So I used pepper jack cheese, Parmesan cheese, and I also put butter in there and heavy whipping cream to make a heavy cream. I just wanted a little bit more creamy and a little bit cheesy. As you see, this is the finished product after I put the cheese and everything in there. Everything looks all saucy, and I hope you enjoy this video. This actually was the best Alfredo I ever made, and it was so cheesy. I loved it. The sauce was amazing. The spinach, it even tastes like spinach was in there, but it was so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit me up. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you put any kind of comments that you would like, as in, hey, I would like to see you make fried chicken next, or hey, I would like to see this, and that, you know. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Again, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that button, that like button. Make sure you hit the notification button, and I'll see y'all later. Enjoy. Peace out. Yeah. Diamond gang. Hey, Diamond. Reeise. Hey, bro. Here's another one. And another one. Hey. Yeah, summertime. Girl, you on my mind. Yeah, I have to think about you.